Hi everyone, welcome back to Accountant's Desk. In the previous video, we covered the basics of partnership. If you haven't watched that yet, check it out first. Today we will solve examples step by step. Example: Ram and Karan are partners with capitals of rupees 15 lakh and rupees 10 lakh respectively. They agreed to share profits in the ratio 3:2. Show how the following transactions will be recorded in the capital accounts of the partners in case the capitals are fixed, the capitals are fluctuating. The books are closed on 31st March every year. Particulars: Ram and Karan. Additional capital contributed on October 2023, 3 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees. Interest on capital 5% per annum each. Drawings during 2023 and 2024, 30,000 and 20,000. Interest on drawings 1,800 and 1,200. Salary 20,000 and 7,000. Commission 10,000 only for Ram. Share in profit for the year 2023 and 24, 60,000 and 40,000. In October, both partners added more capital, that is Ram 3 lakh rupees and Karan 2 lakh rupees. But remember, this money is used only for 6 months, not the full year. The business rewards partners for investing money, and the interest rate is 5% per annum. Partners also withdraw money during the year, and the business charges interest on drawings. Final profit for the year is 1 lakh rupees. So we split it in the ratio 3:2. So Ram will get 60,000 rupees and Karan will get 40,000 rupees. Fixed capital method. In this method, capital remains constant. So capital account only opening plus additional capital, and current account all the adjustments. So the final capital is Ram invested 18 lakh rupees and Karan invested 12 lakh rupees, and all other items go to the current account. And fluctuating capital method. In this method, everything goes into one account, no separate current account. We add interest on capital, salary, commission, profit, and deduct drawings, interest on drawings. Now let's solve it. First, let's calculate the working. That is calculation of interest on capital. The capital of Ram is 15 lakh rupees. Interest on capital is 5%. So 15 lakh into 5%, that is 75,000 rupees. And later on, Ram contributed 3 lakh rupees in October. October, November, December, January, February, March, that is 6 months. So 3 lakh rupees into 5% for 6 months, 6 divided by 12. So it is 7,500 and total is 82,500. That is interest on capital for Ram. Now let's calculate interest on capital for Karan. That is Karan contributed 10 lakh rupees. So 10 lakh into 5%, that is 50,000 rupees, and later on he contributed 2 lakh rupees for 6 months. So it is 2 lakh rupees into 5% into 6 by 12, that is 5,000. Total 55,000 rupees is Karan's interest on capital. So partners capital account, date, particulars, ledger folio, Ram, Karan, date, particulars, ledger folio, Ram and Karan. Balance brought down. Capital is 15 lakh rupees and 10 lakh rupees. And later on, additional capital. So bank additional capital 3 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees. And the total is credit side 18 lakh rupees and 12 lakh rupees. So debit side balance carried down 18 lakh and 12 lakh. Next, partners current account. Debit side, credit side, date, particulars, journal folio, Ram, Karan, date, particulars, journal folio, Ram and Karan. Now interest on capital. We have calculated interest on capital. For Ram it is 82,500 and for Karan 55,000 rupees. Next, drawings. Drawings during 2023 and 24, that is 30,000 and 20,000. So debit side, drawings 30,000 and 20,000. Next, interest on drawings, that is 1,800 and 1,200. Debit side, interest on drawings 1,800 and 1,200. Salary 20,000 and 7,000. So partner's salary 20,000 and 7,000. Next, commission. Commission is only for Ram, 10,000 rupees. So commission 10,000 in Ram column. Next, share in profit for the year 2023 and 24. That is 60,000 and 40,000. Profit and loss appropriation 60,000 and 40,000. Now let's calculate the total. That is 1,72,500 and 1,02,000 credit side. So balance carried down 1,40,700 and 80,800. Now we have completed fixed capital method. Now let's calculate fluctuating capital method. Partners capital accounts, debit side, credit side, date particulars, journal folio, Ram Karan, date particulars, journal folio, Ram and Karan. Balance brought down, that is capital 15 lakh and 10 lakh rupees. Then bank, that is additional capital 3 lakh rupees and 2 lakh rupees. Next, interest on capital. We have calculated interest on capital, credit side 82,500 and 55,000. Drawings during the year 2023 and 24, 30,000 and 20,000. Debit side, drawings 30,000 and 20,000. Next, interest on drawings, that is 1,800 and 1,200. Debit side, interest on drawings 1,800 and 1,200. Salary 20,000 and 7,000. Salary Ram 20,000 and Karan 7,000. Next, commission, that is 10,000. That is only for Ram. So credit side, commission 10,000 rupees. Then share in profit for the year 2023-24, that is 60,000 and 40,000. Credit side, profit and loss appropriation 60,000 and 40,000. Now let's calculate the total. Credit side 19,72,500, 13,02,000, and debit side balance carried forward 19,40,700 and 12,80,800. So that's it for this video. We will be solving more practical and tricky questions in the upcoming videos. So make sure you subscribe to Accountant's Desk, like and share the video. And if you are a small business owner, we help you fix messy books, stay organized and be ready for tax without confusion. Fill out the Google form in the description and we will reach out to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.